Welcome back. Today's video will show you how to change the position of the taskbar in Windows 10. Thankfully, the method is quite simple, so it shouldn't take very long. Firstly, go to the main settings page by clicking on the cog icon within the start menu. In settings, choose personalization and then find the option called taskbar from the list on the left side. In here, scroll down until you find the option called Taskbar Location on screen. You can change the position of the taskbar by choosing one of the options in the drop-down box below this. You can have the taskbar on any of the four sides of your display. Your changes will save automatically, so once you're done, you can exit at any time. And so that's how to change the position of the taskbar in Windows 10. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos, including 10 ways you can speed up your Windows 10 PC. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.